Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you finishing on this beautiful height measuring tool that my wife and I have put together for my 1-year-old son. He's turning 1 in the next couple days, and I just want to put the finishing touches on it. Part of that finishing touches is of course the finish. Now, like most woodworkers, it's the best part when you start rubbing that oil in and you see the colors come out of the wood. It's just going to look beautiful. So today I'm going to show you, I'm going to be using some Watco Teak oil. Main reason for using the teak oil is it's the stuff I have on hand, and I've tested it before on this beautiful cherry wood, and it turns out looking real nice. So stay tuned while I put a little finish on this bad boy. Well, first thing you guys got to do is make sure you wipe it down with a tack cloth. Now, doesn't that look just beautiful? Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. Rubbing some oil into this beautiful cherry wood to make this ruler look even nicer than it looked before. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you want to see more from me, and the bell if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. Have a great day.